In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove blank space between WordPress blocks. Whether you're looking to tidy up your layout or create some breathing room between sections, this guide will help you achieve a polished look on your website. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. Now, WordPress makes it incredibly easy by allowing you to continue with your Google account, sparing you from remembering yet another password. So click on Continue with Google, which will prompt a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site. With your account selected, you're now logged in. What we're aiming for next is editing your site. On the right panel under Quick Links, you'll notice an option that says Edit Site. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the editing interface for your website. Here, your own personal creative space beckons. In this space, find your website, click on it, and prepare to dive into customizing your layout. You'll want to look at the top left corner of your screen for a button labeled Add. This is your gateway to adding new elements, and in our case, creating that much needed space between your blocks. Clicking on Add opens up a field where you can enter the type of block you'd like to add. Search for Spacer in this field. The spacer block is precisely what it sounds like. It adds some blank space to your page. Once you've typed in spacer, click on it to place it within your layout. This small yet mighty block can be dragged to wherever you want to insert some room between your content, creating a clean and organized look. But what if you need to remove that spacer? Maybe the flow of the page doesn't seem quite right. No worries, deleting a spacer is as straightforward as adding one. Simply click on the spacer you want to remove and then press backspace on your keyboard. Just like that, it's gone, leaving your page streamlined and ready for the next edits. And there you have it, a simple way to customize the look and feel of your WordPress site by adding or removing blank spaces between blocks. This technique allows you to enhance readability and improve the overall aesthetic of your web page with minimal effort. I hope this guide helps you craft a layout that's both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.